Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be showing you my brand new BMW. Before I start the video, Lockie, the channel, his link will be in the description. And anyway, you may be thinking that, well, you can't drive the car, you're too young. Well, I mean, in the future I'll just be bowling with my new BMW, so anyway, let's show you the car. This is the fresh whip, you know? Rundown of it. So it's got padding, butt seats, so your butt never gets hurt. Now you got this nice soft steering wheel, really smooth. I'm going 100 k's per hour, you know. Yeah, that's just life. Yeah. These wheels, full made out of pure silver. Now one of my favourite features, the front. Got the nice vents, got the nice BMW sign there. But my favourite bit, like the whole car, is that look. Scoot, scoot. Scoot, scoot. Come back, scoot. Come back. Guys, bad news. I've lost my car. So after I showed you guys the great BMW, I paid a lot of money for it, and I'm just really upset because I was talking to my friend Lockie, who I thought, boy, stole my car. Next time I see him,